హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో ముఘల్ ఎంపైర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాము. Consider the following statements related to Babur. Babur, also known by name Jahiruddin Muhammad, according to Tujuk-i-Babari, when Babur invaded India, 5 Muslim kingdoms ruled over India, namely Lodhis, Bahmani Sultanate, Gujarat Sultanate, Malwa Sultanate and Ilyas Shahis of Bengal. Babur succeeded his father Umar Sheikh Mirza as the ruler of Fargana. Which of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer is option 4, A, B, C. మూడు statements కూడా కరెక్టే. Consider the following statements regarding Aurangzeb. He assumed the title Alamgir, world conqueror. He annexed Bijapur and also eliminated the Qutub Shahi dynasty of Golconda. He prohibited drinking and music in his region. Which of the above statements are correct? So, ఇచ్చిన మూడు statements correct. Option 4. During the Mughal rule, the police duties in the districts were entrusted to the officials known as Fauzidar. Option 3. During whose region did William Hawkins visit the Mughal court to secure a right to trade in Mughal ports? Correct answer is option 4, Jahangir's time. The Mughal architecture attained unrivaled magnificence during the reign of option 2, Shah Jahan. Akbar built the great Buland Darwaja to celebrate the victory of Gujarat. Option 3. The title of Hazrat-i-Allah related to which one of the following rulers? Option 1, Sher Shah Suri. Next question. Akbar founded his own religion known as Deen-i-Ilahi, which means option 1, divine faith. The Sikh Guru who was killed by the orders of Aurangzeb was Gur Tej Bahadur. Option 2. Dara Shikoh finally lost the war of succession to Aurangzeb in the Battle of Samugarh. Option 1. Which Sikh Guru helped the rebellious Prince Khusro and got executed by Jahangir? Guru Arjan Dev. The Jizya was abolished by Akbar. Option 3. Who among us the following Mughals is regarded more as an adventurer than a ruler? Option 3, Babur. Who among the following was the last governor of Bengal appointed by the Mughal emperor? Last governor of Bengal, Murshid Quli Khan, appointed by the Mughal emperor. Which Mughal king tried to stop the practice of sati? Option 2, Akbar. The king generally considered to be the greatest ruler of Kashmir in the 15th century was Jainul Abidin. Option 1. Next question. Which of the following Englishmen was honored by Jahangir with the title of Khan? Option 3, William Hawkins. Since ages, the women of Maharashtra have proved themselves equal to men on battlefield. Famous Chand Bibi of Ahmednagar fought to protect her kingdom against Mughals. Option 4. The terms Jat and Sawar are related to which of the following administrative system? Mansabdari system. Option 1. Akbarnama and Ain-i-Akbari are written by Abul Fazl. Option 1. Which one of the following medieval era rulers mentioned below was highly educated? Option 4. Sher Shah. Which of the following rulers at first assumed the title of Mazrat-e-Ala and afterwards Sultan? Sher Shah Suri. Which improvements among these done by Sher Shah Suri? Select the right answer by using code given below. Currency system reforms, administrative reforms, revenue reforms, military reforms. By Sher Shah Suri. Option 4. ABCD. Currency system reforms, administrative, revenue, military reforms అన్నీ కూడా జరిగాయి కాబట్టి all options are correct. Next question. Who built Buland Darwaja? Option 3. Akbar. Who translated Ramayana and Mahabharata in Persian language? Option 4. Badaini. Who among the following Indian rulers was a contemporary of Akbar? Contemporary of Akbar. Option 1. Rani Durgavati. Consider the following statements regarding Mughals. Jahangir issued 12 firmans for the welfare of public. Tara Shikoh translated Bhagavad Gita into Persian and got 52 Upanishads translated into Persian named Sir I. Akbari. Ralph Pitch was the first British to visited Agra, Fatehpur Sikri and Varanasi during Akbar's reign. So the correct answer is option 4 A, B, C. The first Indian Hindi scholar of the Mughal period was option 3 Malik Muhammad Jayasi. The Mughal emperor who prohibited the use of tobacco? Option 3 Jahangir. Who among the following was contemporary of English Queen Elizabeth? Option 3 Akbar. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో భక్తి అండ్ సూఫీ మూమెంట్స్కి సంబంధించిన 90 బిట్స్ చూద్దాము.